So before we start today's video, I wanted to let you guys know that we did do a restock on these Diamonds on a Budget pink logo tees, and this is the front right here. So they're up on the website now. There's going to be a link in the description down below. But thank you to everybody that has ordered a shirt. We sell out every single time that we drop something, so thank you guys for all your love. We appreciate it. Other than that, let's go ahead and start this video. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be working on the accent pieces for the 240. So I did paint it a light silver a couple of days ago just to see what it'll look like, and I didn't like it, so I tried to do a darker silver. This is not the best lighting, so I tried it out in a darker silver and I think it looks a lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taping off the rest of the pieces that needs to be painted on the bumper, the back bumper, and also the side skirt. So this is how it's turning out so far. I really like this shade of silver compared to the last one. It's a lot more gunmetal shade. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let everything dry. I just brought everything inside the house because I figured I was going to be here for a while. So I got the whole back of it taped up. This took so much time. It was a lot harder than I thought it was. There's so much little details in it. I think I've used more tape taping off all the kit pieces than I did painting the whole car. I used almost an entire row of blue tape, but we got everything taped up. Has been drying for a little bit, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take all the tape off.
How many pieces of tape you put on there?
Like so many. So all the pieces have dried overnight. I didn't record one of the side skirts and the front bumper. I just went ahead and painted these side pieces and also this front piece right here, and that's about it. I didn't know if I wanted to paint this whole bottom section right here, but we'll see how it looks like on the car first. Because the front bumper, I was kind of scared to add the accents on it because I liked the pink on it so much that I didn't want to go too ham with all the accents. So we'll see how this looks. I'm pretty sure that I'll like it like this. And then the back bumper is right over here. And I also went ahead and added these little red covers so everything is ready to get thrown back on the car. So now I have the full kit on and it looks so much better that everything is painted. It makes the front bumper look a little bit more complete. And it just makes everything look a little bit more pulled together. I think that gunmetal was a good choice just because it's not too bold, but it still makes the car look a little bit better than it was. I think I'm just gonna leave this little piece down here pink because I just feel like it looks better like that, in my opinion. All I have to do now is figure out what I'm gonna do about the grill. I kind of just want to throw on maybe a Sylvia grill or probably customize the grill that we have, so we'll see what we'll do, but that's probably one of the next things that I want to add onto the car. So this is probably it for a little bit. We'll keep it simple for now and just rock it how it is. I do want to go get some rolling shots. I'm not too sure how we'll do that because it's only me and Blaine, but maybe soon we'll get some in. I really want to take this out. I haven't drove it too far yet. I've only taken it to the gas station and to the post office one time, so it hasn't really been broken in yet. I'm excited to drive it though. I'm kind of thinking of adding some kind of small livery in this section right over here. I'm not too sure what I want to add yet, but it's just a thought right now. I'm kind of don't know if I want to yet, just because I kind of like it just simple like this, but we'll see. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Now the kit is back on, the accent pieces are painted, and it looks really good. I was kind of scared at first to paint them just because I like the pink so much that I didn't want to mess anything up, but it turned out better than I expected it to be, and I feel like it completes the car, so I'm super stoked on it. I still do have a couple other pieces that I want to throw on, but I just haven't done them yet. They'll probably be coming in some next video, so stay tuned for that. But other than that, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, so much for rocking with us. If you guys want to go ahead and cop a tea, head down to the link below, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.